flesh. I got my date on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my dreams. And I turn uptown, no postcode Andy, but every song's like gold street breakers, slipping in the bathroom, but I say hold on, there's a new turn room, we don't care. You drive me candlelights in a dream, but everybody's like crystals and Maybach. Diamonds on your top, it's just plain islands. Tigers in the golden age, we don't care. We are kind of in your love affair. It will never be the riots. It'll run in our blood. This kind of love just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of this. I may be your ruler. You can come and go with me. Let me leave your fantasy. Our friends and I will crack the code. We count our dollars on the train to the party, and everyone knows us lows. Now we're fine with this. We didn't go for money, but every song's like gold street breakers, stripping in the bedroom, let's say vulgar. You see no terror, we don't care. We just cut the lights in a dream, but everybody's like crystals Maybach. Diamonds on the top, it's just face islands. Tigers in the goldish, we don't care. We are kind of in love here, and we'll never be the riots. It'll run in our blood. This kind of love just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of best. Let me be your ruler. You can come and with me. I'm maybe your rule. Let me be your fantasy. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, good daddy ever a dream, and I'm in love with big brain again. Oh, oh, oh. And your love up here, it will never be the riots. It'll run in our blood. This kind of love just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. And you can come and go with me, and let me your rule. Let me be your fantasy. Oh, 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 oh. Leave your fantasy. Oh, 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 oh. Let me leave your fantasy. Thank you so much, Paul.
Abay, welcome naman natin sa Net 25 Studios, ang Pilya Band!
Yes.
Hello, guys! Hello, pakilala muna kayo. Pakilala muna kayo.
By the way po, ang vocalist is, my name is Myra.
Okay.
Si Kuya Benji on keys and, sorry, sa drummer natin si Kuya James.
Bati ka naman, bigyan natin ng mikropono. Ayan, maring natin boses nila. Hey, bro. Mahihain ka ba? Yung laki na yan, mahihain ka. Ang galing mo magtumugtog, ano?
Pet po namin to.
Ayan, ayan. How about our brother? Ayan.
Ako si Kuya JC. Hello po.
Ayan. Obo, ano ba ang ating tanong sa kanila?
Ayan, so iba-ibang banda daw po yung pinanggalingan nyo. So, paano po kayo nagsama-sama?
Tama.
Actually, after pandemic po, kasi nung pandemic po kasi marami po talagang banda nagwatak-watak. So, nag-start...
Nasubukan, ano?
Opo, magkakakilala na po kami from another band. So, nagsama lang po kami dahil yung mga ibang banda po is, nyari may contact na sila, nauna silang magkasama.
Okay.
Kinontak nila yung ibang banda kasi pwede sila, parang hatak-hatak lang po. So kami, nagkataon din po na lahat kami pwede sa isang gig.
Ayan.
So, doon po kami nagsama-sama.
Okay, bakit Pilya? Sinong Pilya? Sinong Pilyo? O yung, I'm sure yung music nyo, di ba? Very entertaining and ano kasi. Sino
ba?
pwede sumagot? Ayan.
Opo. Minsan po kasi pilya yung mga... Nag-start po kasi yun sa kulitan ng
Ayun,
mga banda.
makulit.
Opo,
Positive na
pilya.
makulit.
Opo.
Oo.
Mga pilyo, gano'n.
Oo, okay.
May
In a good way.
regular gigs ba po kayo?
Tama.
Actually, marami
Oo nga.
din po. May mga regular gigs, pero sa 2 bar lang po kami magkasama. Kaming grupo. So, sa ibang bar po, iba pong mga kasama naming banda.
Aba, very good.
For-
Ayan, go, Bo.
For future bookings po, saan po kayo pwedeng ma-follow or ma-contact para...
Actually po, ang...
Sasali kasi si Bo.
Apo, actually, pwede na ako
naman
maging
po.
yan yung triangle lang. Ganun lang.
Pwede rin po yung...
Pwede yan.
Ano tawag dito?
Ano yun? Yung
Pangaruling.
Marakas?
Pangaruling.
Marakas. Okay, okay.
Pwede naman siya.
Ayan, So, saan na kayo pwede makontak? Go for it.
Sa page,
Oh,
sa page niya po. FB
Ano
page
po?
po
Promote
niya.
natin. Ayan. Pagsalitain natin si brother.
Sa
Ayan.
FB page ko na lang po yung Asumi Drummer.
Ayun. Ayan pa. Hello po mga Kanet 25. Si Kuya Tonipet po ito mula sa Love, Tonipet and Everythang. For more Love, Tonipet and Everythang updates, just click on our subscribe button and follow us on our Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook. Magkita-kita po tayo!